Rubio ask the question. Hale? Here we go.
Right. So the question is there anything more important than education? What and why? One more time. Is there anything more important than education? What and why?
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, there is one thing that is more important than education. It is our faith in God. Because our faith in God will lead us to success. And I want you to know, my dear Kabalen, to become a better Filipino, let's be a good Kapampangan. And we can be like that by trusting God and having faith with God. Whatever calamity, we can do it, my dear Kabalen. Because we are Kapampangan, we are strong, we have God.